Welcome to the unboxing of my new 3D printer filament. It's a K-Camel PLA printing filament. I ordered white, but I haven't opened the box yet, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna get. So let's see. Here it is, K-Camel 3D printer filament, PLA, and it's white. Let's open the box. It's packed okay, vacuum packed with a silica gel box bag in it to keep the moisture out of the filament. Well, I'm going to test this in my 3D printer soon to see if it really is good quality, and I'm gonna show you when I print anything out of it. Bye!